Yes, good evening, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
One second. Okay, let's get started the session now. So we last class we started discussing
Circles.
yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Abhinav.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Chalo, we are in circle. So let's get sorry for the late. Actually, there was a power cut Wi-Fi issue from my side. So don't know. It's just the rainy season. Since the rainy season, it's like troubling a lot. Chalo, we till what we have discussed in last class. Till what we have discussed. We have just gone through special cases. Now let's write a few more steps. Let's go for the few more steps. So some standard notations. Now we are going to talk about some standard notations. Guys, have you revised your notes? How many have you revised?
I revised, sir.
Good. So now we'll talk about some standard notations. Everyone write this. Any second degree equation. Any second degree equation in two variables, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And this will be represented as s is equal to 0. How to represent s is equal to 0? Basically, how to represent is, let me tell you. So under this, you write a point. S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So these are the few standard notations. And look at this, if I consider, let point y1 is the value of s at x1 comma y1 is represented by s1, and that s1 can be written as what? Same thing, x1 by in place of x I'm writing x1 and in place of y I'm writing y1. That's all. All right. Yes. Next. So if you have, if the point, if you take the point called, if you take x1 comma y1, so what we do is, let the point, if we replace x square with x into x1 and y square with y into y1, then x can be written as what? X plus x1 by 2. Y can be written as what? Y plus y1 by 2. Very, very important point. And then xy is equal to what? X into y1 plus x1 into y divided by 2. So if I just substitute all this stuff in S, if I replace all this value, look at this one, and this one. In S, what would I get? What would I get? X into x1 plus y into y1 plus 2g into x1 means what I got? X plus x1 by 2 plus 2 into f y plus y1 by 2 plus c. These are basically some standard notation. So they're not important, but we should know what is the notation, why, what kind of notations we use. Depends on the formula we might be using. If you have 2 point, like we'll be using these kind of notations. So we'll solve the problems, then you understand. So now tell me, what is the position of point? So we'll be talking about tangency, condition of tangency now. Condition of tangent. Guys, this is not that much important. I just told you what is the standard form of that. If you have 2 points, look at this. Next, condition of tangents. Tangency. What is the condition of tangency? Anyone of you?
Sir, a point should lie on the circle.
No, what I'm trying to say, look at the straight line. A straight line, and y is equal to mx plus c will be a tangent. Will be a tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square if c is equal plus or minus a square root of 1 plus n square. What this will be a tangent when if a circle this one when the c center is equal square root of a square root of plus or minus a into square root of 1 plus m square. See when will a line touch a circle? Look at it. Let us write the condition. A line, everyone, a very important note. This one very important note, guys. So this a kind of theoretical chapter. You should know all these notes. Then only you can apply in the question. A line will touch. A line will touch a circle if and only if the length of the perpendicular from the center of the circle to the line is equal to the radius of the circle. Clear? So let me write here. Similarly, if I write, guys, look at this here. Similarly, for x minus x1, y minus y1 whole square is equal to r square as well. So then what we have, look at this, if I write this, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 plus or minus c plus what was that? This is the c value. So this is a condition. Guys, look at this here. The condition is, look at this here. What I'm trying to say here, if I draw a circle, this is my circle here. Okay. Now, if I draw two tangent, either say tangent, this is my center. Okay. A line will touch the circle if and only if the length of the perpendicular from the center, the center say. Length of the perpendicular from the center of the circle to the line equal to the radius of the. ये होता है. देखिए perpendicular होगा. ये perpendicular होगा. A line will touch a circle if and only if the length of the perpendicular from the center of the circle. Length of the perpendicular from the center of circle. Either say the length of the perpendicular from the center of the circle to the line to the equal. Either say ये वाला and either say ये वाला. वो बोल रहा है. This will be equal. That when the line will touch, if perpendicular, if and only if the length of the perpendicular, ये length है ना perpendicular की length of the perpendicular from the center से center of the circle to the line is equal to the radius of the circle. This one. ये दोनों बराबर होगा बोल रहा है if and only if both are equal then only the line touches. That's what he's saying. A line will touch a circle if and only if the length of the perpendicular from the center the length of the perpendicular of the circle to the line is equal to the radius of the circle. Aya, guys, actually we are not going to use all this stuff in formula, I mean problems. Just we should know what is the point here. Kya point? Look at this center. This circle is what kind of circle is this? This circle is going to be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to radius कुछ भी ले लो, r square ले लो, a square कुछ भी. Now guys, look at tangent. What is the point form? If I have a tangent to the circle, what is the point form of a circle? What is the point form of the circle? Guys, what is the point form of the circle? See, we have two standard equations of circle. So for one circle, what is the tangent form and what is the tangent form of another? Look at this here, tangent. If I talk about tangent, so point form. So look at this now. So for this circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 at x1 comma y1. What is the tangent point form of the circle to this circle? To the circle, what is that? Is t is equal to 0. T is equal, what was my t here? This was my t. This was my t equation. Where was that? This one. You can simply just denote this equation of the t here. Clear. Now look at it. Then t is equal, what will happen? T is equal to, the t will be x into x1 plus y into y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. This is what happens. So now if for this circle, this is the condition. For this circle, at x1 comma y1 is same thing, t is equal to 0 होगा. 0 होगा तो क्या होगा? ये होगा x into x1 plus y into y1. अरे भाई x square के जगह में x into x1. Why? Because we have a point here x1 y1. Already is equal to a square. This is the condition. ठीक है. अगर मेरे पास points इनके जगह, like instead of x1 coordinate, y1 coordinate, if I have circle x square plus y square is equal to a square at, like if I talk about a cos theta and a b sin theta, or a sin theta. Okay, so what is that? So this will be x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to a. How we are writing this? Because now if I just draw a diagram, right? These formulas we must, इसमें formulas ज़्यादा formulas नहीं है, standard results we must remember. अगर you know tangent for what circle, what equation, you must remember that. So here just look at it. अरे the circle. All right. Right tangent here. अरे यार, what is this? This is a tangent. So if I make a theta in anti-clockwise theta, therefore this is my perpendicular now. It is a radius. This is a point here, point P of x1 comma y1. You can take this a point as a cos theta and a sin theta for a y. Okay, so this is a radius r. If I take r square, I must write. If I take I took a here, so I must write radius as a over there. Clear? Clear? Look at this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I took radius as a, so I'm taking in terms of a I'm writing. So circle क्या होगा? S is equal to this circle is what kind of circle? This circle is what? Circle is equal to x square plus this is a circle here. Clear? Now see, now we'll talk about various tangent equations. Now we'll talk about various tangent equations. So various tangent or as various equations of tangent. Various equations of tangents of a circle. देखो इसमें क्या होता है, दो होता है. स्लोप फॉर्म क्या होता है? टेल मी गाइस व्हाट इज स्लोप फॉर्म एंड व्हाट इज tangent at a point on a circle on a circle. Look at this now. Slope, what is a slope? Slope is equal to m होता है. तो देखो मेरा ये होगा tangent, ये अगर if I just draw a tangent, slope form is what? Simply x square plus y square is equal to r square. Here y is equal to mx plus r minus r is equal क्या होता है? ये होता है. This is a slope form. Now if I draw a tangent, look at this, circle is a draw a tangent. X1 comma y1 and this where this I'm just using tangent, so I'm just writing t is equal to 0. What is the t equation? What was the t equation? x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 is equal to 0. Plus c, don't forget plus c. Plus c is very important. Okay, so this is guys. Next we have common tangents. And अगर common tangent है, when disjoint circles we have in touch, circles touching each other externally, what is the condition for that? When the touching intersecting each other, when circles touching each other internally, when one circle inside the other circle. So you have different conditions for this. How many of you remember that? Guys, we have beautiful, and then if you know, we have so many problems on this. We have so many problems on this. Next, director of circle. What is the director of circle? Children, what is the director of circle?
Sir, x square plus y square is equal to 2y square.
Huh?
Director of a circle, directrix, sir.
Director, yes.
Director.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Director circle is x square plus y square is equal to 2y
I mean,
square.
I'm asking what is that?
Oh, definition. Yes, sir.
What is that? No one knows. No problem. Look at this here. See, let me draw the diagram. The locus of the point of intersection of two perpendicular. Perpendicular tangents to a circle. They go to a circle. Look at how can it, look at if I just draw a diagram. दो सर्किल होना चाहिए ऐसा. If I just draw two tangents and these two tangents are perpendicular. अरे यार मुझे ये diagrams अच्छे नहीं बन रहे. Look at this. If I just draw from this point, if I'm taking this point कुछ भी एक ले लो, कोई भी x comma y or no h comma k point, ठीक है? If I just draw two tangents here, here, आया, this is a perpendicular now. This is center. आया. Now look at this here. What I said, the locus of the point of intersection of two perpendicular tangents. Look at this. These two are what? Perpendicular tangents. So the locus of point of intersection of two perpendicular tangents of a circle is called as what? Director of a circle. आया समझ? So now look at this. Is called director circle. It's called director circle. Now everyone ready is director circle. Director circle is a concentric circle whose radius is root 2 times root 2, very very important, root 2 times the radius, root 2 times the radius of the given circle. The director circle is a concentric circle whose radius is root 2 times the radius of the given circle. ये होता है very very important, ये बहुत important property है, ठीक है? Common take up. Now look at what is a common tangent. What do you mean by common tangent, guys? Common tangent, tell me guys, make it fast. We have to finish all this stuff very quickly. These all are not required for you all, but let us discuss one time at least. थोड़ा सा कुछ ना कुछ लिख लेते तो एक बार रिवाइज कर लेंगे तो याद हो जाएगा सब. हाँ बताओ, what is common tangent? What is common tangent? Guys, tell me what is common tangent?
Sir, two circles having the same tangent.
Two circles have a
Same tangent.
okay. Two circles have a same tangent. Is what called a 1 second. Yes. So basically we'll be observing the number of common tangents. In this topic, what we do, in this common tangent, what we do is, we'll be observing the number of common tangents of two circles. We have a two, whenever we have two circles, then only it is possible to identify common tangent. Okay. So it's depending, it depends on it's completely depends on their positions. Okay. And we learn first, what we learn is finding length, equation of common tangents. So this is what we'll be learning. How to find out the equations of common tangent. This is what we are going to learn. Clear? Yes. Now look at this. If I talk about this for this joint circles, these joint circles. See here. Look at this. Because this is my center 1, this is my center 2, this is my radius 1, this is my radius 2. Look at this now. If I draw tangents like this, this is a tangent. Oh, bye. Common tangents. ठीक है? You write here, everyone. Direct common tangents has both circles on same sides. Direct common tangents has both circles on same sides. Look at this. Now, next point is transverse common tangents. Has two circles on different sides. All right, look at this. So direct common tangent has both circles on same sides. Transverse common tangent has two circles on different sides. Look at this. How many of you understood this point? Tell me. Here, what can I write? Look at this, everyone. Be careful. The length of C1 and C2 is greater than R1 plus R2 here. So total, how many common tangents have here? 4 common tangents have here. How many common tangents? 4 common tangents. Here I have total 4 common tangents. Okay. Now look at this. Now if I talk about circles touching circles, when circle touching each other externally. Circles touching each other externally. So look at this. R1, R2. See here, you write direct common tangent has both circles on same sides. Transverse common tangent has two circles on different sides. Same thing. Look at this here. Then what is the condition here? C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2 here. So how many common tangents I have here? Tell me. Here, how many common tangents? Hello. One more common tangent I can try here from middle one. Okay, how many common tangents? ये सब आपने पढ़ा होगा. All right.
Yes, sir.
Look at this here. Let me point out. ये green color है ना? Okay, this is the green color is this point and red color. आया? डायरेक्ट कॉमन टेंजेंट मतलब ऊपर से जा रहा होगा ना, जा रहा है ना. ट्रांसवर्सल मतलब अंदर से जा रहा है. रेड कलर, the red color one is a transverse common tangent and the green color is a direct common tangent. Every here also same thing. Here direct common tangent has both circles on the same side. You understand? Same point, guys. Same point. I'm just, just copying here. One second, pasting here. There you go. Same points. There's no changes at all. Look at this. Same point. Direct common tangents has both circles on same sides and transverse common tangent. Blue color is a transverse one here. Blue color is a transverse one. Green color is a direct common tangent. So we'll discuss remaining thing in next class, guys. I think we have done it the time. So today it was a bit delayed due to power cut. So guys, please do revise this, and we'll, as soon as we're done with this, we'll start, solving the problems. All right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.